Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sell your crypto on Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, you just have to launch your Binance mobile application and then log in to your account. Once you have successfully logged in, the first thing that you need to do is to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will see the overview of the crypto that you have, whether it is in the Spot wallet, Funding wallet, or Earn wallet. You just have to review your assets and select the particular crypto that you want to sell. After selecting the crypto, go back to the home page and then tap on the search bar at the top. Here, search for the crypto that you want to sell. Once you have found it, tap on it, and you will see the chart of that particular crypto. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure it is set to USDT if it is not already selected. To do this, tap on the drop-down arrow at the top and select USDT as the preferred trading pair. After that, click on the Sell button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be redirected to the Sell page, where you will see the current price of the crypto. Here, enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. You can either manually enter the amount or use the slider at the bottom to sell a percentage of your holdings. For example, if you want to sell 25% of Gala or any other coin, you can move the slider to 25%. If you want to sell 50%, just adjust the slider accordingly. Once you have entered the amount, tap on the Sell button at the bottom and your sell order will be placed. This way, you will be able to easily sell your crypto on Binance. So that's basically how you can sell your crypto on Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.